Welcome to another session of Maths under Mewa org. So today we'll be talking about indices and logarithms. Okay, sorry I didn't attend the last session, but inshallah this session will be beneficial for you, especially the ones that are going to do KCSE. Okay, so therefore we'll be tackling mostly about indices and also further logarithm, and not logarithm using tables. So we're going to delve into further logarithms. We'll also we'll do 5 KCSE questions on indices and also 5 KCSE questions on logarithm. So let's start from there. So logarithm, we have rules or laws of indices. So the first law is a power b times a power cube. The bases are the same. What you usually do, you add the powers. If the bases are the same and you're dividing, the powers you usually subtract. If you have two powers, okay, if you have two powers and you have two powers, one is inside the brackets and the other one is outside the bracket, you multiply the two powers, therefore you have a power b cube, okay? Na ingine ni ab power p. So you usually have one power, but there are two bases inside. So usually power the first one and the second one. So a will have power p and also b will have power p. And the same thing will go with division. If you're dividing two bases, so the first one you power p and the second one also you do power p. So you have a power p divided by a divided by b power p. So a power 0 is always equal to 1. So always remember that, because anything power 0, be it 10 power 0 or 20 power 0, will always have an answer that is equivalent to 1. A power negative b is equal to the reciprocal of a, which is 1 over a, but the power becomes positive. Kama ilikuwa negative, hapo itakuwa ni positive. Another one, if it is power 1 over q, so your power 1 becomes utaeka hapa kwa a, while the q utaeka kama root. Okay, and let's say the same scenario, you have power p over q, so that p becomes power for a and q becomes the roots for a. Okay, so let's delve into the questions now. So if you see this question, we're just applying the rules that we have passed through just right now. So let's start. So 5 power 2 times 5 power 3. Okay, 5 power 2 times 5 power 3, you have same bases, you have 5 and 5, but the powers are different, so you add the powers. So you take 2 plus 3. Okay, so therefore you have 5 power 5. You'll have 5 power 5. Let me just grab it and write it again. So you'll have 5 power 5. Okay, so let's say if you're dividing, we have same bases 9 and 9, and we're dividing. So what you usually do, we subtract the powers. So 9, you take 5 minus 2, having your answer as 9 power 3. Okay, and the second one, the third one, sorry, utafanya nini? Kuna power mbili hapa, moja iko ndani na nyingine iko nje ya bracket. So you multiply the two powers, uta multiply hizo power mbili, so utachukua 3 times 2, in 3 times 2 itakupa ngapi? Itakupa 6. So answer yako hapa itakuwa 5 power 6. Na ingine ni ile rule ingine tulisema, ikiwa power yako ni negative, what do you do? So you reciprocate. So for example, ni 2 power negative 2, right? Nakumbuka chini kuna 1. So utafanya reciprocal, ile 1 itaenda juu na ile 2 itaenda chini, but the power becomes positive. So we have 1 over 2 power 2, in which is just equivalent to 1 over 4. Okay. And the next one is 27 power 2 over 3. Okay. Your power now is a fraction. So what do you do? So you take 27, we square, after squaring it, we cube root it. Also, another way of solving is you either cube root it first. So utafanya cube root, na hii cube root inatokana wapi? Because of this denominator 3. Alafu baada ushafanya cube root and then you square. So the cube root of 27 is 3, obviously, and then you square, you'll get your answer as 9. Okay, I think we've already finished all the rules. Now we'll delve into the KCSE questions. Okay, the first question ni KCSE 1995 to number 5. So what do you do? Let me just draw something here, a line. Now, good, we're good to go. Okay, we're good to go. Sasa, and this question on a 49 or x plus 1. So what do you do? Mwanzo zifanye iwe ni base 7, so that you have a base 7, have a base 7. Remember, this is positive, not multiplication. So if you do base 7, si ati kuwa hizo powers baadaye utazi add, no, it will be wrong, very wrong. So therefore, hiyo 49 utaifanya iwe base 7. So ukifanya base 7, so tutakuwa ni 7 power 2, kwa sababu 7 power 2 ndio itakupa 49. Alafu x plus 1. So, and then plus 7 power 2x equal to 350. So, sasa uki open up, remember we have powers hapa. Kuna 2 na kuna x power 1. So nimesema utazimultiply hizo powers. So 2 times x ni 2x, and 2 times 1 ni 2. Most of the students wasahau ku multiply na 1, which is a common mistake. So plus 7 power 2x equal to 350. So, haya, baada hapa 7 power 2x plus 2 tutaidivide kwa iwe mara mbili, so itakuwa 7 power 2x times 7 power 2. Originally maana imetoka na hapa, si tulisema same bases uta add powers, ndio maana ukapata 7 power 2x plus 2 plus 7 power 2x equal to 350. Sawa. Haya, alafu next step tutasema let y, ama waweza tumia a, whichever letter you like. Let y equal to 7 power 2x. So pale ambapo utaona 7 power 2x utaweka y. So y times 7 power 2 plus y equal to 350. So, okay. So under BODMAS, mwanzo to multiply and then we add. So don't go directly into addition. So multiply the 2. So y times 49, so 7 power 20, 49 plus y, so equal to 350. So y times 49 is 49y plus y equal to 350. So we add the 50y equal to 350. If you divide it by 50 all sides, and you may divide na 15, you may divide na 50. Sasa itakonipa ni y equal to 7. Kumbuka tumepata y, hatujapata x. So what do we do? So tumeweka pahali let y equal to 7 power 2x. So pale ambapo kuna y utasubstitute, tutaweka 7 equal to 7 power 2x. Okay, so hii ni 7 power 1. So you ignore the bases, you just equate there the powers since the bases are the same. So 1 equal to 2x. So you divide by 2 to get x now. So your x is equal to a half. It's very easy. Okay, let's go to our other question, KCSE question, which is question 2. Question 2 is also an indices question from 2001, paper 2, number 2. So let's solve this together. Wait a minute. Let me just put this here. Okay. Now, Uni 32, Uni 8, Uni 64. So let's make this to have the same basis, in which our common base one hapa ni 2. So hii 32 itakuwa na 2 power something, na hii 8 itakuwa na 2 power something, na hii 64 itakuwa na 2 power something. For you to know that, it's very easy. Wachukua hii 32, or divide na 2. So hapa ni 2, itakupa 16. Alafu tena divide na 2, itakupa 8. And then divide by 2 mpaka ikupe 1. Continue dividing by 2 mpaka ikupe 1. So imekupa ngapi? 1. So kuna 2 ngapi? Kuna 2 tano. So it means ni 2 power 5. Okay. So the same goes with 8. 8 pia uta divide by 2 ni 4. Divide by 2 ni 2. Divide by 2 ni 2. Divide by 2 ni 1. So ni 2 power 3. Okay. So moja ni 2 power 5, nyingine ni 2 power 3. We want to see this for now. Tuendelee. So tusema hii moja ni 2 power 5. So 2 power 5. Hiyo wafanya hiyo 2 power 5. Alafu remember una power nyingine x minus 3. So you have 2 powers times 2 power 3 into brackets x plus 4. So kuna power mbili. Tayari na multiply, because I know that this one, if you have 2 powers, tumesema if you have 2 powers, what do? Multiply the 2 powers. So itakuwa m n. Sawa. Tuendelee. So equal to 64. So kama ni 2 power 5 itakuwa 2, obviously, times 2, 32 times 2 itakuwa 64. So ni 2 power 6. Divide by 2 power x. Kumbuka kuna times hapa. Kama kuna times, then the bases are the same, you add them, right? But first, let's open up this one. So itakuwa ni 2 power 15x. 5 times x ni 15 minus 15 times 2 power 3x plus 12 equal to 3 times 4 ni 12, 2 power 6 divided by 2 power x. Afterwards, remember, times, you have same base but different powers. What do? You add them. M plus n. But coming in division, we are the same thing. You subtract them. With a power a power m minus n. So ignore these bases. Just add the powers. So what you got 15 x minus 15 plus 0 3x plus 12 equal to, so add, so nimechukua hii plus c equal to, hii ni division, so na subtract hizi mbili, so ni 6 minus x. So collect the like terms, 15x plus 3x ni 18x minus 15 plus 12 ni minus 3 equal to 6 minus x. After collecting the like terms, to collect tena sasa hii negative 3 hii negative x peleka hapa kwa negative 3 na hii negative 3 iende hapa, so itakuwa ni 18x plus x equal to, sorry, it's not 18, nimekosea mahali, it should be 5. So remember, sorry, hapa pia itakuwa f5. So 5x plus 3x ni 8x. I think just solve back up. So negative 3 peleka the other side, itakuwa ni 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. 8x plus x ni 9x. Wataka kupata x sasa, utafanya nini? Divide by 9. Divide by 9. X yako ni ngapi? Equal to 1. Simple as that. So tumesolve tayari question 2. Let's go to the other question. Our other question yasema 64 power negative a half. You need to solve this times 27,000 power 2 over 3 over 2 power negative 4 times 3 power 0 times 5 power 2. KCSE question 209, paper 1, number 5. Once. Yeah. Okay, let's start. So hii ni 64, hii ni 27,000. Usually kuna njia nyingi ya kusolve a question like this. Okay, there are many ways. So let me just solve it using my way. So 64 is usually 2 power something, right? Tushasema tulitafuta on our last question, tulisema for you to get 64, you take 2 power 6. Kuna negative a half. Haya, alafu hii 27,000 naweza sema 27 times 1,000, utapata hiyo 27,000. Okay, sorry, na kuna power 2 over 3 all over 2 power negative 4 times 3 power 0. Kumbuka 3 power 0 is just times 1, so kama siandiki, kumbuka hiyo times 1, if I multiply by all these 2, ile 1 yaanza itapotea tu. Sawa, so remember kuna times 1 lakini siandiki yani. So you take 6 times negative a half, but before we reach that, remember 27. So remember 22 power 6 power negative a half. Tufanye kila kitu pamoja. Times 227 ni 3 power 3 times 10 power 3. Remember kuna power ingine 2 power 3 all over 2 power negative 4 times 5 squared. So you multiply the powers, 6 times negative a half. So 6 times negative a half. And what else? Times negative a half. Alafu kumbuka kuna hizi pia. Hizi power 3 power 3 pia utamultiply na 2 over 3. Na hii 10 power 3 pia utamultiply na 2 over 3. Okay. 2 power negative 4 times 5 power 2. So 6 times negative a half is negative 3 Now 3 times 2 over 3 is 3 power 2. 10, 3 times 2 over 3 is 10 power 2. 1 over 2 power negative 4 times 5 squared. Okay. Now, the 10 power 2, let's say tutaka kuifanya into iwe mara mbili pia. So itakuwa 2 power negative 3 times 3 power 2 times 5 times 2 power 2. 1 over 2 power negative 4 times 5 power 2. Okay, so let's continue. So it will be 2 power negative 3 times 3 power 2. Okay, open up here, 5 times 2 it will be 5 power 2 times 2 power 2. Divide by 2 power negative 4 times 5 power 2. That hii na hii yatoka. Okay, 2 power negative 3 times 2 power 2. Utapata, add hizi mbili, negative 3 plus 2. Alafu tukakona times 3 power 2 over 2 power negative 4. Baada ushapata hiyo, usha add hizi mbili, utapata 2 power negative 1 times 3 power 2 all over 2 power negative 4. And then subtract hizi mbili, so itakuwa minus 1 minus 4 times 3 squared. Okay, in which itakuwa ni 4 minus 1 ni 2 power 3 times 3 power 2, in which answer yetu tayari tushapata. 2 power 3 ni 8 na 3 power 2 ni 9. Our answer ni 72. Okay, our answer is 72. Okay, let's go to the other question now. Our other question, let's do it faster because of time. Our other question says 27 power 2 over 3 times 81 over 16 power negative a quarter. So you have a question like this from 2016 paper 1 number 8, and it's very easy to solve. Ni rahisi sana. So tutafanya nini? So kitu ambacho tutafanya is basically hii 27 tutaifanya into 3 base 3 kwa sababu huweza divide na 3, huweza divide na 2. Na hii 81 pia tutafanya into base 3, 16 tutafanya into base 2, huweza divide na 3. Sawa? So 27 ukitaka kufanya into base 3, obviously ni 3 power 3. Sawa? So 3 times 3 times 3 ndio utapata 27. Kumbuka kuna power nyingine hapa 2 over 3. Times, kumbuka hii ni negative a quarter, power negative a quarter. So hii 16 tapeleka juu na hii 81 tapeleka chini, ta reciprocate. Nimesema huwa reciprocates. Okay, so 16 over 81. Power ile indice ile power itakuwa ni positive. Once ushafanya reciprocation ama ushatafuta reciprocal ya hii, ile power itakuwa ni positive. Okay, so 3 times 2 over 3, hii times hii itakuwa ni 3 power 2. Okay, so tuko na 2 powers, so tuta multiply 3 kwa 2 over 3. 16 tumesema for you to get 16 utachukua 2 base 2 power 4. Sawa, Na for you to get 81 utachukua 3 power 4 here. Okay, so ukichukua 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 itakupa 81. Kumbuka kuna power nyingine hapa, so 3 power 2 hizi uta multiply kwa a quarter, so hii 2 power 4 uta times na a quarter. Okay, na hii 3 power 4 pia uta times na a quarter. Sawa, and which answer yako hapa itakupa 3 power 2 times 2, 4 times a quarter ni just power 1, na 4 times a quarter ni 3 power 1. So remember, 3 power 2 divided by 3 power 1. So we subtract the powers. So once you just subtract the powers, kumbuka kwa hii 2 wa minus na ile 1, the values are the same. So ukitoa 3 hapo utabakiwa na 3 moja peke yake, alafu multiply na 2. So ile 3 moja wabakiwa nao 3 power 1 times 2, answer yako ni 6. Right. Let's go to another question. Question 5. Our last question for indices. So, for question 5, tusema solve the equation, which is this one, 8 power x plus 1 minus 2 power 3x minus 1 equal to 120. It's just the same as the one we did in question 1. So it's just we're just redoing it again. Okay, so let's do it. So solve the equation 8 power x plus 1 minus 2 power 3x minus 1 equal to 120. KCSE 2021 paper 1 number 15. So first thing, bases the same. So in which hapa 8 is not the same base as 2. So hii 120 achana na is not a must for you to ifanye into base 2. Ni ngumu wenyewe pia. So 8 ifanya kwa base 2 ni 2 power 3. Sawa. Alafu kumbuka wa times na ile power nyingine ambayo ni x plus 1. Sawa. Minus 2 power 3x minus 1. Okay, equal to 120. Sawa. Sasa hii power 3x na kuna 1. Ukizi multiply itakupa 2 power 3x plus 3. Na hapa minus 2 power 3x minus 1 equal to 120. Sawa. Haya, baada hapa utazivunja kama kawaida kama tulivyofanya last question. So itakuwa 2 power 3x times 2 power 3 minus hapa pia utavunja kama ni subtraction. Ona hapa power ni 3x minus 1, maanisha ilikuwa division once. So utachukua 2 power 3x divide by 2 power 1, si negative. Sawa, ni 2 power 1 ndo upate hiyo 2 power 3x minus 1. Kama division, what do you do to the powers? 3 subtract, so itakuwa 3x minus 1, which is this now, equal to 120. Sawa. Haya, baada hapa the same formula, let's y equal to 2 power 3x. So pale ambapo kuna hii utaika y, so itakuwa y times 2 power 3 minus y divide by 2 equal to 120. Obviously 2 power 3 ni 8, so y times 8 minus y divided by 2, just y over 2 equal to 120. So y times 8 ni 8y, so minus y over 2 equal to 120. So let's multiply by 2 all sides. Multiply by 2 ndo tutoe hii 2 hapa chini. Multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. So hapa itakuwa 16y 16y minus y equal to 240. Sawa. 16y minus y ni 15y equal to 240 divided by 15 divided by 15 divided by 15 divided by 15 y equal to 9 if I'm correct. Sorry, 19 I think. 24 divided by 15, 90, 15 times 6 or 16. So y equal to 16. So tayari tushapata y lakini hatujapata x. So remember this one. So we substitute, itakuwa ni 16 equal to 2 power 3x. So 16 tuifanya in base 2. So itakuwa ni 2 power 3 itakuwa ni 8, 2 power 4 equal to 2 power 3x. Sawa. Alafu we equate now the powers. 4 equal to 3x and 3x equal to 4. So divide by 4, divide by 3, divide by 3, x itakuwa ni ngapi? Itakuwa ni 4 over 3. As simple as that. Now we'll go to another topic, and also it will reach a day where we'll do one KCSE question, one KCSE paper or a mock paper, inshallah bismillah. So thank you, and also thank you to Mewa for having me, and see you next time.